Artifact 1 research paper, I did hashtag Black Lives Matter. For a little context, it's probably the largest movement in US history, and it's the only one I can remember during my lifetime. My approach was, I first was looking where it started, researched why it started, and then I was looking at when it was used the most on social media, when were those spikes, how and why were they happening, and then I was kind of seeing like the impact on public policy change, that type of thing. And what I found was the first time it was used was when an officer was not indicted by a grand jury for killing a black teenager. And it saw spikes in a lot of similar instances like that to racial injustice, racial inequity. And what people would do, they'd flood social media. They'd hop on and all you'd see was hashtag Black Lives Matter. And because social media was so accessible and became more accessible during the time, people could get on and latch on. And the hashtag allowed people to find similar posts, and it just took off from there. And because of that, people were able to organize protests really easily and really quickly. And then policy change came because politicians had no choice but to take notice because of the size of the protests. And then my conclusion is social media provides a platform, as we can see with Black Lives Matter, for social movements to really take off rapidly and gain a mass following really